Helo a chroeso i Noson Wobrau, grŵp colegau NPTC 2025. Mae'n gwych i bod yma yn Castell Nedd heno i ddathlu'r gwaith galed I gyd o'r myfyrwyr, hefyd gan bod fi fy hun yn cyn-ddisgybl coleg.
It all starts with a dream, and I had a dream that I would be at some point on the television or on the radio talking about sports and being able to fly the flag for Neath and fly the flag for Wales on a network level, and I've been able to follow my dreams through sheer hard work and determination, but also by having a dream in the first place. And I think it's really important that people know that, you know, if you can see it, you can be it, and you can have that dream. As long as you believe in yourself and you work hard for it, you can get to wherever you want to be. So hopefully the students will be able to see that in me this evening and then follow their own dreams.
Tonight is the pinnacle of our College calendar. This is about our students and our Students' Awards evening, and it's about celebrating the fantastic successes that we see both in our vocational and academic results. To listen to some of the stories that we'll hear tonight about some of the hurdles that some of these students have literally jumped over to get their qualifications, it makes me very, very humble and very proud.
Very blessed because it's come from people who are very important to me, and they're just all amazing people who I get to see every day and have fun with a lot of the time, and they all work so hard and just amazing people, and I love them.
What have you got to say about your dad and how proud you are of him?
Proud. He works so hard.
What's been the best part?
My dad winning.
Thanks to all of you in marketing who have nominated me. Thank you very much. Very grateful.
Absolutely overwhelmed. I can't believe it. Like, obviously I got the letter through the post to say I'd won some award, and I just thought it was the business one, and then at the end I genuinely I wasn't even concentrating, to be honest. When they said my name I was like, what, this can't be. But I'm just so grateful. I'm so appreciative. Just thank you so much. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so grateful to be here and receive these awards.